Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, October 7th, 2023. I'm out here in Hilo again. Looks like a nice morning. Super clear on that side. You can see both the mountains. On this side, we got a little scattered clouds, but not too bad. Today I have 3 frozen Opelu. I'm in 60 feet right now. My plan is to head out to at least 150, 200 feet, drop a dead bait, start trolling that around. And I have the Damashi in the water, so I'm always looking for live bait too, but that's the plan. Today, I think trade winds are supposed to start picking back up. We had about 4 or 5 days of light and variable winds, but the trades are supposed to come back today and get stronger over the weekend, so making the most of the day. Try and go for the Ono on the dead bait. That's the plan. The plan might have changed. Found some Opelu in 120 feet. Just caught 2 good sized ones. Lost another one. And I see more on the fish finder. Oh, hooked up again. Got some more. Feels pretty heavy. Big old pile under me now. Small ones. Might as well just throw one of these guys out there. I got a small circle hook on this 30-pound setup. Oh, getting bit again. Yeah, some good sized ones. Oh my god, full stringer. Lost one. It doesn't happen too much where you catch like 5 at once. Good size one. Oh man, some more. This guy's not gonna live too long. Something will eat him right now. Look, something at about 200 feet. Took one good run. Staying on the surface. This is on the small live bait hook, fluorocarbon. Got my other line tangled here. Not good. surface. Not sure what it is. Only took one run. Oh, it's a mahi-mahi. Oh, lost him. Pulled the hook. Okay, I moved out deeper to 340. Just hooked something. Took a good run and then turned around. Couldn't turn the camera on. Hopefully my other line doesn't get tangled. Looks like it's behind me pretty good. Oh, there's a leader. What do we got? Probably a kava. Oh. So, oh no. Yes. That was an oh no run. Good size one. Yeah. How's that hookup? Kind of crazy. It's kind of wrapped. It's kind of wrapped around his nose there. That was a weird hookup. Second hook was stuck in his gill plate. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. About 30 pounds. at the launch. That bait feeding frenzy pig